Hey, good morning to you. Alex Giles here, Chief Meteorologist Al Conklin. We just got done with WBTV News this morning and wanted to hop on the streaming services and on social media to give folks an update. Hey, Thanksgiving just days away.
Thanksgiving a couple of days away here, and if anybody's got travel plans today or maybe you just want to get the leaves up, you're in good shape for today. Alex, tomorrow, first alert weather day, rain.
Hey, nobody can say that you guys didn't warn them, though, because you've been saying for a week now.
Yeah, we've had this day circled, and we just put the first alert out to kind of let everybody know, hey, this is what we're looking at.
Right.
Now everything is coming into play, and so I'm quite sure the confidence is there that we're going to get a big, widespread rain tomorrow. That will hamper, again, travel, but otherwise, you know what? Hey, we've talked about the drought, the wildfires. We need the rain, right? There you go. All right, let's start off with what we're seeing here this morning, which is just a great start to the day. That's our Scott Clark Toyota camera out there in Matthews. And again, you can see just a few clouds. These clouds will tend to thicken a little bit as we go through the day today. But what a gorgeous start. Temperatures are mostly in the 40s this morning, but here's what we're looking at. We're tracking rain. Rain is likely, heavy rain on Tuesday, so it's now a first alert weather day. And you'll notice, Alex, that rain goes from Florida all the way up to the northeast. This is going to be a big storm.
Right.
All right, so let's back off here for today. Here's what we're looking at. Temperatures now upper 40s to about 50. We'll wind up in the lower 60s. A little bit cooler than yesterday. Mostly cloudy skies, but still we're rain free for today.
It's probably normal type of November day for us, right?
Yeah, basically, yeah, because the normal high now is 61, and that's exactly what I'm forecasting. But here's what's changed. 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow night. There is a thunderstorm risk as well. If you're watching us from the mountains and the foothills, you'll be in the 50s tomorrow. Charlotte and points southward and eastward into the 60s. And there will be gusty winds as well. But here's the payoff, Alex. All right, you see the tail feathers flapping there, right? He's happy, right? Because sunny skies will come back here for Thanksgiving Day. We'll stay chilly, 50s and 60s, and at night we'll be in the 30s and 40s. All right, so let's walk through this tomorrow. All right, so again, we're dry here during the day today and tonight. Tonight, though, we'll see those clouds lower and thicken, and by tomorrow morning at daybreak, rain will be overspreading the area. Now, it may not rain in every neighborhood all day long tomorrow, but there's going to be that threat of rain, and there will be pockets of it that will be heavy at times, going right through the afternoon into the evening. And there's even a risk that we could get into some severe weather.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I know, right?
Are we talking potential watches and warnings or not that severe?
Probably not watches, but there could be a warning or two. There's a lot of wind energy with this, Alex. And so as this storm comes in, now the thing that's not going for a lot of severe weather is the instability. That probably is going to be on the lower side, but you'll notice again that we have a marginal risk. It's level 1 out of 5. Okay, so it's not widespread, and it's, but there is at least that chance. And it's mainly going to be for areas south and east of I-85. Could I rule it out in the foothills? No, but I think that's the prime location. So we're dry today. What's going to happen is that warm front, you see that red line going across South Carolina. As that lifts northward, we're going to get a little bit unstable, especially, as I say, south and east of I-85. And then as the cold front comes in, that will trigger the heavier rain and even some thunderstorms, followed by dry and chilly weather here for Wednesday and Thursday. On top of all that, we've also got wind gusts that could top out at 50 miles per hour tonight and tomorrow in our mountain counties. So there is a wind advisory up there. And again, though, here's the payoff, right? I know you have plans, I'm sure, for Thanksgiving.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. It looks chilly, upper 50s to about 60, but mostly sunny skies, and there shouldn't be any rain for Thanksgiving. Our rain chances, in fact, will go down appreciably Wednesday and Thursday. Now, there's a small chance Friday, but I'm not too overly concerned about that. I think that's maybe, just a sort of a few spotty showers. But there's your 7-day first alert forecast. So, again, today, mostly cloudy, 61 rain chance low. Not too cold tonight, upper 40s, low 50s. Tomorrow, rain, 100% chance. I'm that confident. First alert weather day. Rain tapers down tomorrow night, early Wednesday. Thanksgiving looks good. Maybe a couple showers on Black Friday. I don't think they're widespread or all that heavy. And then near 60 for Saturday, upper 50s on Sunday. We've talked about this drought situation. We haven't had big rain since about August. So we need rain. We're down, inches and inches. Are we going to get all of it at one time? No, you wouldn't want that. That'd be a flood. But we're going to look at 1 to 2 inches of rain. And if we were to get another, 1 or 2 of these type storm systems over the next couple of weeks, we could actually see our rain, our lakes and everything come back up and the drought situation really alleviated. Right now, we have severe drought for most of us, even some extreme drought south and west, so we need the rain.
And that was going to be one of my questions for you. Just the rainmaker we're getting tomorrow, how much impact can that have on drought conditions? It's not going to immediately erase the drought, right?
No, not at all. But we are looking at probably, as I say, 1 to 2 inches, with some spots in the mountains probably getting 3. The way we're looking at this now, we need probably 3 to 6 inches of rain
Wow.
to get rid of the drought.
Okay.
Right? You don't have to make up all of it. You just got to kind of get back to normal rainfall.
Sure.
But to really get the lakes and the aquifers, up to normal, we need probably 3 to 6 inches of rain over a couple of weeks period.
My second question,
Yeah.
for folks who may not be driving, 10 hours or so,
yeah.
if they had the option of maybe leaving Monday night or Wednesday morning, and they really are the folks that don't like driving in the middle of storms, would you say it's time to consider that?
I would, absolutely, yeah. And I would also put in a plug for download our free WBTV weather app, because that will have that interactive radar right there. Make sure you have the notifications turned on, because it'll tell you about real-time lightning. It'll tell you if there are any watches, warnings, and advisories that come out. But I would definitely say that if you leave Monday evening, no problem at all, at least in terms of weather, or wait until Wednesday morning, midday, you'll be fine. Again, we will dry out. The day that's the most impacted is going to be Tuesday and Tuesday night. Rain, heavy at times.
And just to pinpoint it,
Yeah.
remind me again when we're exactly expecting it to taper off Tuesday.
Probably late Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning.
morning.
So it's going to rain all day Tuesday, or at least there'll be that threat and risk of rain. And then as we go into Tuesday night, it will start to taper down. But I don't think we can really give the all clear based on what I'm seeing this morning. Again, it's
Okay.
only Monday morning, but
Right.
probably Wednesday morning this will taper down and be done with. And the timing is that we'll have 2 dry days at least, Wednesday and Thursday, Thanksgiving. Friday, a small chance for a little bit
Sure.
of rain. Doesn't look like much though.
So you've been warned. Make sure you have the WBTV First Alert Weather app. Get the umbrella and the rain jackets ready, right?
You're going to need it. That's exactly right. First Alert Weather Day. And of course, coming up this afternoon at 12 noon, Rachel will have an update. And then this evening,
Okay.
Rachel and Lisa will walk you through the new guidance that comes in. And there may be some adjustments to this forecast, particularly as it relates to severe weather. But right now, I'm very sure we're going to get heavy rain Tuesday night, at least 1 to 2 inches, maybe as much as 3 in the mountains.
First
Yeah.
Alert Weather Team always has us covered 24/7. Al, thank you as always.
You bet, Alex.
All right, have a great day.